Prior to installation, ensure all power to the luminaire is turned off. For this installation, you will need a hole saw, drill, screwdriver, measuring tape, conduit fitting, wire cutters and strippers, pliers, mounting hardware, and wire nuts. For DMF products, you will need a C-Series 4 or 6-inch new construction housing and C-Series modules and trims. The C-Series is designed with mounting features to install efficiently in any commercial ceiling type, whether it be traditional joist or stud, T-bar, C-channel, pipe, or steel bar. For specifics regarding each mounting type, please refer to the installation guide. For the purpose of this video, we will be walking through installation in a T-bar ceiling grid. Locate the desired fixture position in the ceiling plane. The C-Series Downlight comes in both 4-inch and 6-inch aperture sizes to best suit your installation needs. For the 4-inch housing, the opening should be 4.5 inches or 114 millimeters. For the 6-inch housing, cut the opening to 6.5 inches or 165 millimeters at the marked position. We recommend using a hole saw to prevent overcutting. Install your specified ceiling material on the desired T-bar grid location. Locate the fixture position above the ceiling tile and center the housing opening over the cutout in the ceiling tile. Once centered, install the bar hanger ends in the T-bar. Locate the lock feature on the bar hanger end bracket and simply bend it to secure it to the T-bar. If local regulations require additional security measures, use the screw mounting hole and hanging feature on the bar hanger ends. Tighten the pre-installed screws on the butterfly bracket to secure the horizontal position. Route the building's electrical supply wires into the junction box through any knockout. Splice the electrical wires to the bare wire leads in the housing junction box according to local regulations. Loosen the 2 pre-installed wing screws on the butterfly brackets. Adjust vertical position of the housing until the pan sits behind the ceiling, and then secure the position by retightening the wing screws on the butterfly brackets. Finally, pass the wiring cap through the opening so that it is visible from below the ceiling. The housing is now ready for module installation. The C-Series modules come with a flexible lumen option, which allows you to select between 1,000, 1,500, or 2,000 lumens, or a fixed output option, should that be required by local code. If using a flexible lumen module, adjust the switch on the back of the module to the desired brightness prior to installation. Plug the module and housing cap connectors together. Ensure that the connectors are fully engaged. Coil any excess wire into the wiring cap, then snap the wiring cap and module together, being careful not to pinch the wires. When you're ready to install the trim, remove the protective LED cover from the module. To install the trim, align it with the arrows on the module and simply snap them together. Flex the torsion springs and insert them into the corresponding tabs in the housing. Finally, push the trim and module up until it is flush with the ceiling. Should you need to service this fixture at any point, our embedded drivers allow for service to be completed in minutes, not hours or weeks. Pull the trim down from the ceiling so spring clips are visible. Squeeze the spring clips on each side so that they disengage from the housing tabs they are connected to. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently remove the wiring cap from the top of the module by using the tabs on the side. Disconnect the housing cap from the module using the touch-safe quick connects between the 2 components. Remove the trim from the module and set aside. If replacing a flexible lumen module, remember to set the desired brightness again. Then simply repeat the original module installation procedure. As always, the C-Series is plug and play and backed by our in-house engineering, customer support, and DMF's 5-year warranty.